Yep, we have some lightning and some thunder happening, just no rain yet. It's a lot darker than it actually looks in this video. Over there it's nice and bright. Over here is just, whoa, disgusting. And you know what's really funny? The landlord's home, finally, and they finally got back to me today. I don't want to discuss that, but this is more about the weather. Have big trees in the way. If I could go to a freaking park, I would. Okay, so this is our normal parking lot. Then the lamppost is going to be in the way. In these houses. See? See, the shot I want is like this, but the lamppost is in the way. That is right above me. Maybe I could go to the path. See if I can get to the path. Okay. So I'm... Oh no. Oh no, I almost made it to the path. And I felt a few raindrops. You can see why I don't want to record over here. Oh, wow. That goes towards Dante's school. That goes towards Ava's school. Okay. And I'm not very far from home. It's like just that way. Like not even 2 minutes. Oh wow, that was bright. Oh my god, that squeaking, if you can hear it, is actually a car putting on its brakes. There was like no thunder to that one. Okay, there must have been some thunder or lightning that way. Whoa! Okay, I am actually going to go home now because it's actually big drops coming down.